Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken pickle. First, gather your essential ingredients for a delicious homemade chicken pickle. You'll need about 1 kilogram of boneless chicken, cut into small, bite-sized pieces. Also, prepare a selection of fresh spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Don't forget a good quality oil, perhaps 500 milliliters of mustard oil, and some vinegar or lemon juice for that perfect tang and preservation. These foundational elements are key to a flavorful result. Next, let's prepare the chicken. Begin by marinating your 1 kilogram of boneless chicken pieces with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let it rest for about 30 minutes to absorb the flavors. Then, heat about 200 milliliters of oil in a pan and fry the chicken pieces until they are beautifully golden brown and fully cooked. Once done, remove the chicken and let it cool completely. This step is vital for the pickle's texture. Now for the heart of the pickle, the spice base. In the same oil or fresh oil if needed, sauté 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and a few slit green chilies until fragrant. Then, add your freshly ground pickle spices, which might include 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, along with 2 tablespoons of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Cook these spices on low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until their raw aroma disappears and the oil separates, creating a rich, aromatic foundation. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add the cooled, fried chicken pieces to your aromatic spice mixture, stirring gently to ensure every piece is well coated. Now, pour in about 100 milliliters of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. This is crucial for both flavor and preservation. Simmer the entire mixture on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to beautifully meld. Once cooled, transfer your delicious chicken pickle into a clean, sterilized airtight jar. It will be ready to enjoy in a few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.